What you're about to watch is a video from our Crypto and NFT Masterclass 3-in-1 course. For those of you that truly want to understand crypto and NFTs, definitely enroll in the course. Welcome to this video. What we're going to do now is show you how you can track your crypto assets, specifically how to create an account on coinmarketcap.com. So what we're going to do is create our own portfolio, and I'm also going to reveal to you my current portfolio. So today we are January 25th of 2023. Do not forget to finish your crypto portfolio. So make sure that you do that if you haven't done that so far. This could also be a method for you to identify projects on your watch list or things to research in the near future. So go about it the way you want to. But again, I always like pen and paper. You can even just pick up a pencil, borrow one from a friend, and get it started that way. So let's focus our attention on the computer. Before I show you how to set things up, I'm going to show you the way I have my portfolio set up first. So we're going to go to the top right here, and I'm going to click on portfolio. And once we're in there, we can see Mitch portfolio. So these are my different coins that I've added. Basically, I have a position in these projects. I am down significantly for the most part, except for it looks like Iagon and like Cornucopia is a couple of small low cap coins. But in general, I am down. I bought quite a bit at the top and I've just been DCAing. This portfolio does not include the NFTs that I own. I got about 6,000-7,000 Cardano worth of NFTs. So that's something to add here as well. If we take a look, I am 41.41% Cardano, 16.39% Matic, 15% Bitcoin roughly, and 20% Copy in others. If I had the opportunity today, I would definitely take advantage of the crypto portfolio template and I would restructure things much differently. Now, this is just the way that I have things set up. You can set it up differently as well. So basically what I do is I click on add new, and then you will put in the coin that you want to add. So for example, Polkadot. And then you would put in the amount. So that's what we're going to go through here in just a minute. So I'm going to log out of this and I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch. So we're going to log out and this is what it will look like. And you can also do this on a cell phone. So if you have an Android phone or an iPhone, you can easily track your portfolio. It's going to be with the same account. So you can set this up on your phone and use it on your laptop or desktop. What you're going to do is go to the sign up in the top right. Once you're there, you're going to put in your email. So we're going to blur that out. Okay. And now we're just going to verify the email with our code. There we go. So we've successfully signed up to CoinMarketCap. And this is going to be great because you can check out the entire market cap. You can add, for example, right here, a watch list. So if there are coins or projects that you've been thinking about, you can really pay attention to them. So we're going to finish our portfolio. We're going to call this Crypto Moose. Okay. And you could also add a little profile picture. But there we go. So coinmarketcap.com/portfolio tracker. So again, you're just going to go to CoinMarketCap. In the top right corner, you can see that we have our Crypto Moose account and we're going to go to portfolio. Now this is where we're going to digitize or add our positions. In the top left, we're going to click on create portfolio. And again, this is all free, very easy to use. And we're going to call this Mitch's assets. So this will be effectively what I own. So if your name is Mark or Bella, whatever it is, you are going to create that portfolio. And then if you want, you could also create another one and you're going to call this, Mitch's wish list. So just coins, or maybe creating that 1 year, 5 year, 10-year vision that we've done with the other pages in the workbook. So let's start out with the assets. Let's say you own a little bit of Bitcoin. So you're going to go here and click add new, or the top right, click on Bitcoin, and you're going to add how much you own. So for us, we're going to put 0.0, we'll do about $100 worth. So 0.00443, try to get it close, 433. Okay, and we're going to hit add transaction. So let's say that's what you own. Now you can see the current balance is $100 USD, of course, and it's going to adjust this as the market goes up and down. So whenever you want to check out and see what your assets are worth, that's how you can do that. So let's say you have a cold wallet in one wallet, maybe you have a bit of Bitcoin in the other. Well, you can add these transactions. So let's say a week from now, you're going to, again, Mitch's assets. So we'll hit refresh. And let's say we picked up Cardano. So today, I just bought some Cardano. So we're going to hit ADA. Let's say we bought 200 Cardano coins at about $75. Add transaction. So now you can see all the calculations. So you have your allocation. You know that you're 57% Bitcoin, 42% Cardano, and then it's all right here. You could see your profit, your loss. So you have to remember, what gets measured gets accomplished. You should be doing this. You should be setting goals. All right. So very simple, very easy to use. And once you log in on your phone, then you can do the exact same thing. It's very intuitive. I must say, I do like CoinMarketCap. I know CoinGecko, I believe, is the other one that a lot of people use. And there's CoinDesk, talks of Charles Hoskinson potentially buying that. So that's really interesting. So what we're going to do now is go to wish list. So we'll click on that. We'll go to more, and we'll edit portfolio. And we'll put our 10-year goal. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a goal of what we would like to own. Okay. And let's say we would like to have a full Bitcoin. So now we know we're going to need 23,000. With our 10-year goal, we know that we're going to need $23,081. Perhaps it sounds like a lot of money, but 10 years from now, you will think maybe I should have upped my goals. So I just want to keep you inspired, keep you thinking, keep you on your toes. Again, maybe your goals aren't that significant. Maybe it's much more. Maybe you're thinking to yourself, I need 12 Bitcoin, right? Which would be pretty sweet. But I think everybody should have a goal to get 1 Bitcoin. Again, I'm not telling you what to get. I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm just showing you what I do and how I would approach it. So you should have a good mindset. Why think small? It doesn't make sense. You got one life. So we're going to go to Mitch's assets. So now we know. Okay, we have $99 worth. Well, that's $100 we could take off of our goal, right? So now we just need 22,000, and we are adding a goal. So now we have a target to shoot for. Because right now you probably don't have a target. For the most part, before you even started the course, you probably don't even have a portfolio written. And you could always go back to the why. Why am I investing, right? You want to do this. Very, very, very important, okay? So even for me, I have a 1-year portfolio value goal of 25,000. Then in 5 years, it's 250,000, and then 3 million in 10 plus years. All right, so I hope this makes sense. Definitely at least create and track what you currently own. It's great to have, it's great to know, because if you're not on top of it, you're not going to be able to really execute it, and you're going to give up over time. All right, so that's all we have for you in this video. We will see you in the next one.